Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to enable the copy and paste functionality in Oracle's VirtualBox virtualization software. And what we mean by that is a couple things. One is from copying files from host to guest or guest to host, and the other one is copying clipboard items such as text, both direction too. So by default it's disabled. So let's say we wanted to copy this file over to our guest, so host to guest. Drag it over there. See, we got the little red circle with a line through it saying we can't do it. And let's say we try to copy we have some text here. We're going to text from host to VM. So we're going to copy this, and we have a file open here. Paste is grayed out, so we can't do that. So it's really easy to turn on. So what you need to do is from the VM itself, you could do it while it's running actually. Go to Machine, and then Settings. Or if you don't have it on, you could go over here and go to Settings, get to the same place. On the General section and the Advanced tab, and then Clipboard, you could have it go host to guest, guest to host, or both ways. We'll go both ways. And then the drag and drop, same thing. We're going to go both ways. Click OK, and that should be it. So now, if we go back to our host, we have this host file. We want to put it on the VM. We should be able to drag it and drop it there. And now we have it there, and go back to our text. Copy our text here from our host. Go over to here. Just like that. And let's try it going the other way. Take the text from the VM. Go back to the host. And works just like that. Very easy to do. So like I said, all you have to do is go to Machine, Settings, General, the Advanced tab, and then just pick which direction you want it or both, and you are good to go. All right, thanks for watching.